How is all? Today we have chipper chips. Let's get into it. Okay, so I have two Mary Piper potatoes, or you can use anything similar. I'm going to wash and peel them. I'm going to cut them up into about 1 cm squares, or as close as possible. Then I'm going to place them in a pot of water. I'm going to bring that to a boil, and as soon as it starts boiling we're going to put it on a low simmer for about 4 minutes. Then we're going to take them out and let them cool for a bit. Why did the potato cross the road? Well, because he saw the fork up ahead. Okay, so I've preheated the oil to 350F. And then I'm going to place them in and give them a good stir so they don't stick together. I'm going to cook them for about 10 to 12 minutes. Normally when they start to float, they'll be cooked. Okay, so then I'm going to dry them with a bit of kitchen towel. And then I'm going to place them into some baking paper or some greaseproof paper. I'm going to soak them with salt and vinegar and give them a good shake. And there we go, absolutely delicious chipper chips. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye and take it easy.